So we finally made it into Restaurant Depot and had the, I guess, bravery to finally take out the camera, because we're in here debating if we should. If someone stops us, I have no problem putting on the camera. But I've already found my, like, see, I told you we need to go to a restaurant thing right here. And then Lisa came back with it on her own. She went through the freezer section. I thought I was going to have to go on a rescue mission, because, like, she's either finding a lot of things or she's lost in there now. And then she came out the other side, which was a sign that she had gone exploring. She's like seen like basically one whole side of the store. But my justification on its own. Look at this. Let me get out the shot. Those are all seasonings. And see, these are the ones that we kill up ourselves, the size that we kill up ourselves to get at like BJ's, your Costco and those things. Look at these monsters here. Now granted, this might be a little impractical to buy